Hi, I'm Bill Sysak, known as Dr. Bill in the craft beer community. I've been on the advisory board at SDSU since its inception, and I am one of the instructors for two of the classes, the Exploring Craft Beer program that everybody will eventually take who takes the program. I also teach the secrets of exceptional beer and food pairing, where for 6 weeks you get to taste great food with great beer, and it's a really fun time. So the craft beer program at SDSU's College of Extended Studies is for everybody, really. It's for somebody who wants to get in the industry. We've already had many people that have taken the program and been hired into the industry. It's for industry professionals who have had the opportunity to improve their education and enable them to advance more in their chosen company, whether it's at a brewery, a bar, restaurant, or other format of hospitality. We've had distribution managers come in and take the program. And then the third component of the people that normally take the class are hobbyists, people who are just interested, that have been around craft beer for a number of years and want to learn more. You'll have a number of experienced instructors. They all have been professionals in the craft beer industry or in related services. George Thornton and Jake Nunes handle the beer styles program, and they've been around craft beer for quite a while. Michael Peacock was a student of ours and now owns his own draft company and teaches the draft systems program, which is very fun. Candace Moon, who's a lawyer who can talk to us about things like the legal areas and planning your business model. There are plenty of other instructors that I don't have time to mention, but they all have a wealth of experience that you'll benefit from. So a little bit about Wild Barrel Brewing Company. We opened on September 30th, 2017. So if you come to Wild Barrel, you'll find a beautiful 10,000 square foot facility. We've already been recognized as one of the top 50 new breweries in the United States for 2018, so that was a great achievement for us. We specialize in both West Coast and hazy style IPAs. Berliner Weisses, we have a number of them on right now that are all fruited, and stouts. We have a barrel program that's still working its way to fruition, and we're looking forward to the first releases of those at the end of the year. The Business of Craft Beer program at SDSU is something I'm passionate about and all the other instructors are passionate about. But we want you to come in and become passionate also. So if you're not quite sure about what it's about, we feel that you'll leave with a newfound love of independent craft beer. And if you already think you know it all and you've been around and you already have a passion, we want to fan those flames to a new height and new level. I really can't recommend this program enough, and I hope to see you there. Cheers.